guys and girls and everyone else. I bought my first Traxxas remote control toy vehicle. It's the Ford Raptor Slash, and this is my first one. So I've got it out of the box, and I'm trying to figure out all the things I have to do to get it ready. And I've got the transmitter. This piece right here is called the transmitter. I was referring to it as the remote. So I got this piece in my hand, and I was trying to figure out how to turn it on, and I was struggling with it. And I figured out at the bottom, it's the battery pack. It slides open. I put 4 AA batteries in there. And then I kept pushing this little red button on the top. I was fiddling with this knob and the trigger and the wheel on the side. And then I threw my batteries away. I went to Home Depot, bought new batteries, and came back, put the new batteries in, and still, the little light does not light up. And I'm like, what the hell? Is it defective? I hope it's not defective out of the box. I hope I didn't just buy a 36-pack of batteries that somehow is no good. And I was looking, there must be something I'm missing. I was looking, is there another button on the top? No. Looking on the back, and I saw this thing on the back, and I was like, that looks like a little quick release for the battery cover, but it's not. It's a switch. It's actually on my Traxxas transmitter. This is the on-off switch. So I probably threw those batteries away for nothing. I went to Home Depot for nothing, but I switched this on. Bam! There's the green light I'm looking for. That's how you turn on this Traxxas transmitter that I have. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates. Have a nice day. Steven School Alchemy YouTube channel.